So here is the demo for the current progress of the app. We can sign up from any random number, and for testing purposes you can add 1111 to verify and create the account. The account has been created. We will do the same here. Same verification code here. Account has been created, and now we will make our profile. We will name it user1, user1 at gmail. User mail, user one, I'm setting it as male, and the other user we will set as female. You can leave these fields empty if you want to, because they're just for the sake of it. We're just taking it. It's not necessary. Okay, our profile has been created, and we will now create the second user. Gmail.com, age 20. Okay, the reason you're not seeing any snacks here, because to see them you have to first configure your profile, which we can do here. Search for snack. You can select your time preference when you want to arrange your meetup. uh, I'll do it for breakfast. And adventure type, let's take professional this time. Career field agriculture, and you can also set location, and you can if you want to, you can drag it for more precise location, current location, I guess. You can also set distance by dragging this from 1 kilometer to 50 kilometer or 100. I'll keep 100 for now. Set snack. Okay, nothing shows up here uh, because there's no user matching that criteria. So we will arrange it for here. Breakfast, same as that. Profession, and career field is agriculture. And as you can see, I'm you can drag it here and make it 100 for the sake of it. Okay, now you can see user 125, which is this uh, from this ID, and you can see user 2, it arrives. And same as you can do that for sports snack. You have to select uh, what difficulty is this, as we can, for example, I'll select expert baseball, and location has already been set, so we don't need to do that again and again. If you want to change it, you can change it also. Okay, now no snack matches this. So if I refresh over here, it will also disappear because the criteria is not matching. So we will do it snack, expertise is expert, and baseball, and location has already been set, so we don't need to do that. But if you want to change it for the different preferences, you can do that. Okay, it's here now, and the user 2 is also here now. And you can do the same for romance. Here you have to do that. You have to see uh, what your preference is. You can select age, like the user 2 over here has 25 years old, so you want to put 25 here and select the female gender because that's your preference, and location can be the same. We will search it. Now it disappears because no other user has the same criteria as this user. So we can change it over here. Let's see what's this guy's age. Okay, this is 25 and the user 1 has male gender, and we can search it. It's here. It's here also. So for example, if I change the age to 26, it shouldn't show up to any of the users. So I'll refresh it again. Oh yeah, because this guy's preference matches this user. So if I change the male to female and search, it disappears also. Same here. So now there's only one preference left. That's friendly. Friendly only you have to select the location, and the other user has to be within this range. So we can search it. These are other example users that I made, which are also looking for friendly snack. So they all show up here, and you can search this here too, and these all show up too. User 1 is also here, and if we refresh it, user 2, as you can see, is here, and it's showing us active users 2, because user 2 and user 1 are live, but we haven't really tested it extensively. We can do that, I guess. So now I'll just send invite to from this account to user 2, and we can decide for example Karachi. We'll select a date and time. Yeah. Yes, we send it. So if we go to the other user invite management and click on receive invitations, you see is the invitation showed up. So now if you want to edit it, we can edit it, but I won't do that because it will take a long time to go through every functionality, but you can test it out for yourself. So I'll go here. I have the option to reject or accept. So what I'll do is I'll accept it as accepted. So because I accepted it, the chat room showed up, but we haven't sent any messages to each user. So I'll open up this screen and say hi. Hi, and hi shows up here. uh, Hello, and hello shows up here, as you can see. So this is the whole flow of it, and if we go to invite management and you click on it, it tells you that snack was accepted by user 2, and every other detail that you need to know. And if we go here, on received, accepted. So this is the complete flow at the moment. And you can also edit the whole profiles, and you can go to settings, and you can uh, uh, play with this, but I don't think it's functional at the moment, uh, but you can edit those. That's it for me. Thank you.